Hey everyone, Desiree here. So as you can see, I have an unboxing of a new Moterm Traveler's Notebook. I'm very excited about this. I was perusing Amazon, as I always do, which I probably should not do because I always find something I want. But I am actually in the process of selling some Traveler's Notebooks. I'm going to do a video about that probably this week. It'll probably, maybe even it'll be the next video after this one. But I'm in the process of selling some of my traveler's notebooks. And so I have been looking for some alternatives because of a variety of reasons. But I do like the, I don't know, I guess I'm kind of just moving away from the mainstream, if there even is a mainstream, maybe I wouldn't even know how to describe it, honestly. I'm just feeling like I want to get rid of some of the things I have and I want to move into more simpler styles, not, the main shops. And I just want to do something different. And I'm feeling like the change in season has kind of sparked that. But also, too, I've just been feeling like there's nothing wrong, but just something needs to change. And I don't even know if that makes sense, but that's how I'm feeling. So I went ahead and ordered this traveler's notebook. Now, as you can see, or as you saw, it came sealed in plastic, which is really nice. And this box feels really thick and kind of heavy. So I'm really excited to go ahead and take a look at what's inside with all of you. I will also link this down below in case you're interested in getting one of these. I think this would make a beautiful gift. Some of them were not in stock. They had several color options, but not all the color options were in stock, and some of them were on back order. So now I've always been impressed with the Moterm packaging. Considering how affordable the Traveler's Notebook is, it's like they put a lot of detail into everything. So I very much appreciate that. Ooh, nice. Now this is a gray velvet bag. I've never seen this before. Look how pretty. So that's nice. And then it comes with some accessories, which we always love. Oh, wow. Okay, so you get a clip-on, slide-on pen loop. Some extra elastics, which are always useful. And then it looks like you get a zip pouch, the plastic zip pouch. And then a folder. So already I'm impressed, very impressed by what all comes in here. So I got the red, I think it's the red leather. Ooh, look at how nice, you guys. Okay. Okay, this is beautiful, and the leather is so soft and, squishy. If you've had the Moterms, like the ones for the Stology or the Hobonichi, whatever, it's that same kind of delicious, squishy leather. So it's got the eyelets with the elastics here, and, they're going vertical instead of horizontal, but I have no problem with that. Wow, this is so nice. Okay. So it is quite floppy. Again, I don't have a problem with that. Let me move this stuff here so you guys can see. And it comes with 3 inserts. Very nice paper. So this one is blank. I'm wondering, oh, this one is lined. And then the last insert is grid. And then you get a secretarial pocket here. And I don't think I showed this, but you have a full pocket here, and then it looks like you have some card slots here. 1, 2, 3, 4 card slots. This is so nice, you guys. I'm really impressed. You know, just like with the Navi Traveler's Notebook, you know, you don't have to spend a lot of money. Okay, so that one was on the smaller one, but you don't have to spend a lot of money to get a really high quality, well-made notebook. So the way this is, you see you've got 2 of the longer straps, and then you have 2 of the shorter straps because of the way the, I guess, elastic configuration is here. So that's fine, but the leather is absolutely gorgeous. So it's kind of like this muted mauve kind of color on the inside. It's like a mauve. It's got a little bit of hint of gray. I'm not sure if the camera's picking that up. And then on the outside is this gorgeous red. Now the outside is coming off a much more brighter red than what it looks like in person. In person it looks like a more of a dark burgundy, maybe like even a brick red or a blood red, because it's got some really like dark undertones to it. So I'm really happy with this. Now it does not have the reinforced spine, which I'm totally cool with, and yeah, it's really, really soft and really, really nice. Okay. Doesn't really have much of a smell, but that's fine. I'm cool with that. So it looks like the elastics, I'm guessing this one might be for the outside here, and then this one would be if you need to restring, you know, the longer ones. And then the pen loop. Now I think this was roughly about I think it was $35. So very nice, very well worth it. So again, I will have the link down below, and if you guys are interested in picking these up, you know, especially if you want to, you know, get a gift or get it for a gift, now would be a good time to do that, because we are moving into the holiday season, and I know, at least from my experience, some of these Moterms ship from China, and so sometimes the shipping can take a while. So you may want to just plan, you know, accordingly if you are going to, you know, buy these for anyone. I'm trying to see how I might only use 2 inserts here, because I'm not sure I want to use the smaller one. But that, I like a thick and chunky TN. So I don't know, I'll have to play around with the setups, but I'm very happy with this. And I really like the pockets too, because, you know, you can do so much. If you want to add, you know, another insert here, you could do that too, and you don't even have to use the string. Okay, so that's an option. And if you wanted to stick one in here, as long as it fits, you probably could stick one here too. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this little unboxing. Again, I will have this linked down below. I think this is gorgeous. I think this is well worth the money, you know, and I got this in one day. I do have Amazon Prime, but you know, it's nice because you don't have to worry about, you know, shipping taking forever. Now, of course, you don't have the customization options like you would if you were to buy a notebook from, you know, someone else. But if you don't need any type of, you know, customizing and you're cool with the way it comes, I think this is perfect. All right, everyone, if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. And if you're not subscribed, please make sure you do so, because I do have a lot more videos to come. All right, everyone, thank you so much for taking the time to watch. I'll definitely see you in the next video. Bye.